Hello there and welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to be talking about navs and links, but before we do that, let's cover up some other tags that I didn't talk about in the previous videos. Okay, let's just get straight into it. And I'm going to write the tags. Header, we have a header, and the header basically, this is just the top bar of your website. I'm going to show an example right here. And you are gonna have a main. Boom. And in the main, you're gonna have your main content. You're gonna have your pictures, your paragraphs, your titles, your buttons, your forms. All of that is gonna be in the main. And then we have a footer. Now inside the footer, we are gonna have, we're gonna link our Facebook, we're gonna link our Instagram, we're gonna have a text about this website is developed by me. I'm gonna have my email, basically just information about you and where people can follow you. It's not really that important to a website, but it kinda is, so we just put it in the footer. But let's get rid of those for a little bit and worry about them later. Now, nowadays you actually don't need to use header because we are learning HTML5. So all we need to say is nav. Now inside this nav, you gonna have your logo, your navigation links, and probably a login or a sign up button. So as we are talking about navs and links, we're gonna add some links to this nav. Okay, so now we have these nav section, and then we're just gonna let's just add one link, and then I'll show you the correct way to add links to a nav. So what we're gonna say is a and this called a anchor tag, and then when we hit tab, it shows us this href attribute, and this is where you're gonna put where's this link gonna take you. Okay, so and here we're gonna put the actual name of a link. So let's just start off by making a link that takes you to Google. We have google.com. That's it. We just push the link over here, and as you can see, it adds the link. And then let's just say this link takes you to Google. Okay, let's hit save, and then let's see how this looks like. And as you can see, it's in the link form and blue and underlined. Let's click it and see what happens. It goes to google.com. If we go back to our websites. Pretty cool, huh? Now we don't want just one link, we want multiple links in our navs. Okay, let's add things the correct way. So let's say you have a logo that is an H1. Let's just say the name of the website. Okay, and then now we're gonna add our actual navigation links. So to add this, we're just gonna have an unordered list, and we're gonna have an unordered list, and then inside the list we're gonna have some items, and then I don't know if you can hear the prayer call in the background. So we just inside the li, as I covered in the previous video, we're gonna have our actual links. We're gonna see a, and then here we're gonna have like a home page or a home section in your website if you have a one-page website. We're gonna cover those up later. And you just hit Alt Shift and then down, and it duplicates it. And then you're just gonna have like an about page or a section. You're gonna have a contacts page or a section, obviously, and let's just say more. That's it. And here we're just gonna have this hash or hashtag, so the website takes us nowhere. Okay, nearly done. Nearly done. Alright, let's hit save and see what this looks like. There we go. We have our logo, and then we have our lists of navigation. Pretty cool, huh? But if we click them, they take us nowhere because we don't have an actual page. So we're just gonna make them do nothing for now, and then after we're gonna have our HTML pages or our sections over here in the href, where we can actually make the links go somewhere. But I know you're like, this doesn't look nice. Usually the navigation links are like over here, and you know, they are separated, but you can do that with CSS, but we're not gonna cover that right now. We're gonna cover it in future videos, so don't forget to like, subscribe, tune in for the next HTML course. So we're nearly done with the HTML, so we're gonna move on to some awesome stuff. So yeah, like, subscribe. Till then, see you next time.